Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. So today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson 3, geometry from your term 1B textbook. Okay, so let's start our class. Yes, so today first we are going to study some geometrical concepts. Okay, so in that we are going to study 4 terms. Which are they? Point, line segment, ray, line. Okay, point, line segment, ray, line. So let's see what is a point. So for that I'm going to put a dot here. A small dot. Okay, so a point is represented by a small dot made by any sharp objects like pencil or pen. Okay, so here a small dot, it is a point, and we can name a point using the capital letters of English alphabets. Okay, so look here, I am going to name it as capital X. Okay, so we can write this is a point X. This is a point X, a small dot. Okay, next I'm going to put another point. This is also a point, small dot, and we can name any other English alphabet. Let it be capital letter A. Okay, and how we can read this? This is a point A. Okay, this is point A, and point, it has no length and width, so it cannot be measured. Okay, children, so this is a point, that is a small dot which can be made by any sharp objects. This is a point. Okay, so for an example, we can see in map. In our map, some dots are there to denote states and capitals. So those dots are examples of points. Okay, okay, children. So next term is line segment. Line segment. Let's see what is that line segment. So for that I am going to put 2 points here. 2 points, and I am going to name it. Okay. P and capital P and capital Q. Capital point P and point Q. Next I am going to join these 2 points using a straight line. Okay, so look here, children. Here we get a line segment. This is a line segment PQ. Okay, so this is a line segment PQ which has 2 end points. This point P and point Q are the end points. And look here, children. This is a line segment PQ which has 2 end points, and it can be measured because it has a length. The distance between the points P and Q is called the length of the line segment PQ. Got it? The distance between, that is this distance. The distance between the points P and Q is called the length of the line segment PQ. Okay. Next, how we can denote this line segment? We can denote this line segment as PQ, and over this letters we want to draw one straight line. Okay. This is how we can represent a line segment PQ. Or we can write this is line segment QP. Okay. PQ or QP. Both way we can write. Okay. So it has 2 end points. It can be measured. This is a line segment. Okay, understood? So we studied what is a point and what is a line segment. Okay, so for example, a line segment, we can take edges of tables. Edges of table, then sides of blackboard, side of a blackboard. Okay, so those are examples of line segment. Understood? Next term is ray. Okay, so all of you look here. Again I am going to draw this 2 points, capital Q, capital letter P and capital letter Q. 2 points. Okay, P and going to join, join. Now it become a line segment. And again I am going to draw, extend this. I am going to extend this line segment indefinitely to one direction, only in one direction. It can be extended. It can be extended only in one direction indefinitely. Okay, that's why we are putting this arrow. It can be extended indefinitely. So this is a ray. Okay, it can be extended. It has a starting point. Look here, children. P is a starting point. The starting point, we can call it as initial point. The starting point, we can call it as initial point. Okay, this is the initial point. And from this we can go and we can extend it indefinitely, only in one direction. Only in one direction. Okay, so this is a ray. Ray PQ. Okay, ray PQ. And how we can denote it? PQ. Ray PQ. Over this PQ, one straight line, and in one side we want to put an arrow. Okay, this is ray PQ. Okay, so here P is the starting point and P is called the initial point. The starting point is called the initial point. Okay, children. So we can write this ray as QP. Ray QP. Is it same? No, children. It is not same, because if you are writing PQ, the ray PQ, P should be the initial point, starting point. Okay. QP. If you are writing QP, Q should be the initial point, starting point. But here the starting point is P. So this ray, how we can represent? It is PQ. Ray PQ. Okay, this is not wrong. So this ray we can represent it as ray PQ. We can denote it as ray PQ. Okay. So it also cannot be measured because it extends indefinitely or in one direction. Understood, children? It has one starting point and it is called the initial point. So this is a ray. Understood? So we studied point, line segment and ray. And one more term is there, line. Okay. And before that, for a ray, we can see some examples. Example of a ray. We can say light rays coming from sun or from torch. That is examples. Okay. Okay. So next one is line. So for line also, I am going to draw 2 points, same points, PQ, and here also L. This is a line segment, and next I am extending on both the sides. Extending on both the sides. Then this is a line. That is a line. We can say it is extending on both the sides. Okay, extends indefinitely on both the sides. So this is a line. Okay, children. So here how we can denote it? PQ, and over that we can draw a straight line and 2 arrows on both the sides. This is a line PQ. For a line, we can denote the points. We can write PQ or QP. Over that is straight line and 2 arrow marks. Okay, we can say PQ or QP. So this is a line. A line has no endpoints. It can be extended indefinitely on both the sides. It is endless. It cannot be measured. This is a line. And what is a ray? A ray, for a ray, how? It has only one starting point, no end point. It has a starting point, and that starting point is called initial point, and it is extended only in one direction. Okay. And what is a line segment? Line segment, we can say it is a part of a line. Part one, only one part of a line, because it has 2 endpoints. It can be measured. Okay, it has 2 endpoints and it can be measured. And what is a point? It is a small dot. It is a small dot. Okay, understood, children? Next, children, we can do one exercise problem. Classify the following as ray, line, and line segment. Okay. Okay, so we want to find here which are the figures here. It is ray, line and line segment. Okay, let's see children. So here first one, it is given here one point is a point P, Q, and this line here it is extended only in one direction. That is, here we have a starting point and no end point. That is extended indefinitely only in one direction. So we can write this children. This is a ray. It has a starting point. Starting point is also called the initial point. We already studied it. Starting point, and it is extending indefinitely in only in one direction. So it is a ray. So we can write this is a ray. And what's the name of this ray? PQ, ray PQ. Okay, this is ray PQ. Next one, second one. Here it is extended indefinitely in both the direction. That is, it has no end points. It is endless. Okay, so we can write this is a line. This is a line. This is a line. And how we can write a line, children? Line AB. Line AB. Okay. And how we can simply draw a straight line and put two arrows on both the sides. Line AB, or we can write line BA. Okay, line BA, B or BA are two arrow marks we want to give on both sides. Okay, this is line AB or line BA. Got it? Next one, our last one. Look here. Here we have two endpoints. Two endpoints are here. So we can say this is a part of a line. So this is a line segment. So this is a line segment. Line segment AB. Line segment AB, or this we can write BA. AB or BA. Got it, children? How we can classify these lines? Yes. So children, only this much for today. Thank you.